Welcome to our guide on automating C/CD pipelines with Claude. Today, you'll learn how to set up automated workflows that streamline your DevOps processes and boost productivity.
In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, continuous integration and continuous deployment, or C/CD, are key components that ensure seamless, automated software releases. They are crucial in minimizing manual errors, accelerating deployment speeds, and enhancing the quality of software products. Today, we dive into how Claude, an AI-driven tool, can revolutionize your C/CD processes by automating tasks that traditionally required significant manual intervention. This often results in higher productivity and more reliable deployments.
Automating your C/CD pipelines carries numerous benefits. Firstly, it significantly reduces the need for manual intervention, freeing up your team to focus on strategic tasks. This leads to faster release cycles, allowing your product to reach the market quicker. Automation ensures that the quality of deployments is consistent, as it eliminates the variability introduced by human error. Moreover, it enhances team productivity by reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks. With Claude's AI capabilities, error detection becomes more efficient, catching issues early in the process, which saves time and resources in the long run. Let's get started with setting up Claude for your C/CD pipelines. Begin by installing Claude on your system. The installation process is straightforward, with a step-by-step guide available on their official site. Once installed, navigate through the configuration settings to tailor Claude to suit your project's specific needs. The user interface is intuitive, designed to streamline your workflow. Claude integrates seamlessly with existing DevOps tools, ensuring that your current processes continue without disruption. For a smooth initial setup, ensure you have all necessary credentials and access rights configured.
Integrating Claude with Jenkins is a strategic move for enhancing your C/CD pipeline. Jenkins, being a popular open-source automation server, allows for seamless integration with Claude. Begin by installing the Claude plugin for Jenkins. This plugin facilitates communication between the two platforms. Follow the step-by-step integration guide provided within Jenkins to link your Claude account. Once integrated, you can trigger builds directly from Claude, allowing for more efficient management of your build processes. This integration not only streamlines operations but also enhances monitoring and reporting capabilities.
Claude excels in automating testing processes, a critical phase in any C/CD pipeline. Begin by setting up automated tests. Claude supports various testing frameworks, allowing for comprehensive coverage. Implement test coverage strategies to ensure all critical paths are tested. Claude offers real-time reporting, providing immediate feedback on test statuses. It integrates seamlessly with popular testing tools, enhancing your testing capabilities. Use Claude's analytics to gain insights into test results, identifying trends and potential areas for improvement, which ultimately leads to more robust and reliable software. When it comes to deploying applications, Claude offers robust solutions to automate and streamline the process. Start by defining your deployment strategies. Options include blue-green deployments, canary releases, and more. Set up your deployment environments within Claude to ensure seamless transitions. Claude supports automated rollbacks and version control, providing an additional layer of safety. Automating your deployments with Claude minimizes downtime and ensures consistent, reliable releases. Post-deployment, Claude provides tools to monitor the performance of your application, allowing for quick identification and resolution of issues. Monitoring the performance of your C/CD pipeline is crucial for maintaining efficiency and reliability. Claude provides comprehensive tools to track key performance indicators, such as build times, failure rates, and deployment durations. Real-time analytics offer insights into the health of your pipeline, while alerts and notifications keep you informed about critical events. By continuously monitoring these metrics, you can identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement, ensuring your pipeline operates at peak performance. Claude facilitates continuous improvement, allowing you to refine processes and enhance overall productivity. Even with automation, issues can arise within your C/CD pipeline. Common errors include failed builds, integration conflicts, and deployment issues. Claude offers robust debugging tools to help identify and resolve these problems quickly. Utilize Claude's support channels and community forums, which are rich resources for troubleshooting advice and solutions. By engaging with the community, you can gain insights from other users' experiences. Adopt a proactive approach to issue resolution, regularly reviewing and updating your pipeline configurations to prevent potential problems.
Advancing your skills in automating C/CD pipelines with Claude requires continual learning and experimentation. Claude offers advanced features such as AI-driven insights and predictive analytics that can further optimize your processes. Stay abreast of new tools and technologies in the C/CD domain by participating in online communities and forums. Engaging with these communities can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. Develop long-term improvement strategies for your pipelines, experimenting with new approaches and technologies to keep your skills sharp and your processes efficient. In conclusion, automating your C/CD pipelines with Claude can significantly enhance your DevOps processes, leading to faster, more reliable software delivery. We covered everything from the basics of C/CD to advanced troubleshooting techniques. Remember, automation is not just about reducing manual effort, it's about improving quality and efficiency. Engage with the C/CD community to continue learning and growing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what topics you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.